Welcome to your guide on creating sub-admins as system users in CourtReserve. Sub-admins in CourtReserve are system users with flexible, role-based permissions to control what each user can access and manage within the platform. By creating sub-admin users, you can grant limited access to specific platform features, tools, and settings by assigning role-based permissions. This allows club staff to perform their duties without exposing sensitive data or critical system controls, ensuring operational security and platform integrity. Let's get started by going to the settings on the left toolbar. Scroll to the top where it says Organization Settings and click on System Users. From here, we have the Admin tab and the Sub-Admin tab. Click on the Sub-Admin tab, scroll to the right, and click on Create Sub-Admin. Next, fill out the name and email. The phone number is optional. You can also save time by clicking Copy settings from other users. If you already have a sub-admin with the same permissions, simply select that user here, then scroll up or down to the Save option. You can choose to create this sub-admin as an instructor or as a coordinator, depending on their role. Check Coordinator to assign this sub-admin as a coordinator. This role is ideal for users who manages events and leagues. Coordinators can view, edit, and manage event or league settings. Additionally, you can customize their permissions for events, leagues, or sessions based on the permissions selected below. This role allows clubs to delegate specific responsibilities without granting full platform access, helping keep operations streamlined and secure. Note, when checked, there will be additional settings added to the permission options below. Now let's take a look at the permissions. By default, permissions are turned off, so this system user cannot do any of these actions until selected. You can simply click the option at the top to enable all permissions for the system user, or leave that off and pick and choose exactly what they're allowed to do in your system. Keep in mind, some of the permissions also provide additional options when checked. We suggest looking through each permission the first time you're setting up a sub-admin in your system. From there, continue scrolling through the permissions. You can choose to disable drag and drop on the court scheduler, allow access to batch billing, and give them visibility to all schedulers, custom schedulers only, or specific schedulers you select. You can also decide whether to show check-in alerts, allow scans when users are logged in, and make sure the sub-admin is set to active. When you're done, scroll to the bottom right of your screen and click Save. You've now successfully created a sub-admin system user in your account. If your organization is part of an enterprise and you'd like to enable your sub-admins to easily switch between locations, simply add the user and assign the same user email address across all locations. Enterprises that use the same email for admins and sub-admins across locations unlock the convenience of single sign-on or SSO. With SSO, admins can seamlessly switch between organizations via a drop-down menu located at the top of the left navigation settings. When you add a new sub-admin, you will enter the same email address for the user as the previous location. The user should now have a drop-down in the top of their left navigation to switch between locations. Keep in mind, admins and sub-admins do not need to be designated as enterprise managers to take advantage of this feature. Having a shared email across locations is the only requirement. This concludes our video on creating a sub-admin as a system user with full access. For additional help, we offer the following resources: our amazing live support chat team, community Facebook group, in-depth knowledge base, and idea board. Also, be sure to subscribe to our release notes to keep up to date on exciting CourtReserve enhancements. Thank you for watching this video tutorial. Stay tuned for more tips to help elevate your club.